It's Friday again, house hunters, and you know what that means. It's Pick 3 day where I dive into the MLS looking for hidden gems listed for sale around town, and one of these could be your new address, so you don't want to miss these. What do you say we check out my Pick 3 of this week right now? All right, here we go. Jumping right into my first pick this week, you have to check out this beautifully and completely updated ranch located at 376 Hermé Drive in Hamilton. This 4-bedroom home has over 2,600 square feet of living space with 2 full bathrooms. Updated kitchen with all new stainless steel appliances. The lower level was also newly finished, which adds tons of space for entertaining guests. The master retreat is a must-see in this home, as well as the 3-season room between the house and the garage, which makes a great spot to come home and chill. Hung P and Melissa Thierry Rudolph from the Fairfield Star One Realtor's office has this gem listed for $315. Discover your own sanctuary with my second pick this week. It's located at 6974 Panther Drive in Liberty Township. This beautiful home sits on almost an acre and it's on a cul-de-sac street, so there's very little traffic. Inside you'll find upgraded kitchen cabinets, chlorine countertops, tile backsplash, soft closed doors, and a pantry. Lots of remodeling in the bathrooms, formal dining room, and the living room. The family room has built-ins, and that's where you're going to walk right out to the gorgeous backyard with mature trees that provide lots of shade. Entertain your guests on the composite deck, or just walk down a couple steps to the stone paver patio and you can roast some marshmallows with the kiddos. Finished lower level and a large 2-car garage that you guys are absolutely going to love, and there's also 2 sheds out back for some extra storage. Deborah Maxfield from the Westchester Star One Realtor's office has this home listed for sale at $360. All right, finishing up my pick 3 for this week is another one of our listings located at 1094 Stone Oak Boulevard in Union Township. This former model home offers a supreme blend of comfort, style, and functionality. It's located in a highly sought-after neighborhood in the West Claremont Local School District, and it features many built-for upgrades, ample natural light, wood floors, brand new carpet throughout, has a first-floor bedroom with a full bath, spa-like primary bedroom upstairs with an ensuite, jetted tub, got a walk-in closet, and a large sitting area. Out back, you'll find a large backyard with plenty of room for the kids to play, pets to roam, or to host your backyard barbecues. This one-owner home is immaculately well kept, and we've already had it pre-inspected, so all you have to do is move in. Michelle and I have this home listed for $435. All right, that's going to do it for my pick 3 this week. Which home was your favorite? Be sure you let me know down there in the comments. And if you have any questions about any of these properties or just general questions about the home buying process, be sure that you reach out to me. That should be my information that's popping up down there on the screen. You can give me a call. You can shoot me a text. You can send me an email. But before you go, be sure you subscribe, like, and follow so you never miss a pick 3. All right, so until my next video, have a great weekend out there, everybody, and I'll catch you later.